If you look at the fundamental constraints of our civilization, scarcity of labor is arguably the biggest one. Optimus eliminates that. It creates a future of abundant labor, constrained only by the resources needed to build the robots themselves. This is why I believe Optimus has the potential to far exceed the value of everything else at Tesla combined. This isn't a minor product, it is a multiplier for global GDP. Imagine production lines running 24/7, dangerous infrastructure repairs handled safely, and complex tasks executed with perfect precision. The economic implications are enormous. A world no longer constrained by the limits of human muscle or endurance is a world ready for unprecedented growth. Optimus is the key to unlocking that abundant future. What job do you think upcoming future? Let us know. If you enjoyed this discussion, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tailloom Studios for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.